getting ready for Easter celebrations but confused about which cake will truly steal the spotlight. Looking for Easter cake ideas that are festive, creative, and Instagram-worthy. Wondering how to balance cute designs with delicious flavors everyone will love. Need Easter cake inspiration that works for kids, adults, and special family gatherings? Curious how simple ingredients can turn into stunning Easter centerpieces? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Easter cake ideas that are colorful, joyful, and guaranteed to make your celebration unforgettable. What makes an Easter cake special compared to regular cakes? Easter cakes stand out because they celebrate spring, renewal, and joy through colors and symbolism. Pastel shades, floral decorations, and playful elements like eggs and bunnies instantly create a festive mood. These cakes are not just desserts, they become the centerpiece of your Easter table. Easter cakes often focus on light textures and fresh flavors such as lemon, vanilla, carrot, or coconut. The overall goal is to reflect happiness, warmth, and togetherness. When designed thoughtfully, an Easter cake becomes both a visual delight and a meaningful tradition. Which flavors are most popular for Easter cakes? Classic Easter cake flavors include carrot cake with cream cheese frosting, lemon sponge, vanilla bean, and coconut cake. These flavors feel fresh, seasonal, and comforting at the same time. They pair beautifully with spring celebrations and family brunches. You can also add fruit layers like berries, pineapple, or mango to enhance freshness. Choosing a familiar flavor ensures everyone enjoys the cake while allowing creativity through decoration. If these ideas are inspiring you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family planning their Easter celebrations. How can I decorate an Easter cake without professional tools? You don't need fancy equipment to decorate a beautiful Easter cake. Simple piping bags, spatulas, and even spoons can help you create textured frosting designs. Pastel-colored buttercream instantly gives your cake a festive Easter look. Toppings like mini chocolate eggs, marshmallows, sprinkles, and edible flowers can elevate the design effortlessly. Creativity matters more than perfection when it comes to Easter baking. What are some cute Easter cake design themes? Popular Easter cake themes include bunny faces, Easter baskets, floral wreath cakes, and egg-inspired designs. These themes feel playful yet elegant and are perfect for both kids and adults. Soft colors like pink, lavender, yellow, and mint are commonly used. You can also personalize the cake by adding names or messages like Happy Easter. Themed cakes bring joy and make the celebration feel extra special. Tell us in the comments, which Easter cake theme would you love to try this year? Are Easter cakes suitable for kids' parties? Easter cakes are perfect for kids' parties because of their fun designs and sweet flavors. Bunny-shaped cakes, rainbow layers, and colorful sprinkles instantly grab children's attention. These designs make Easter celebrations more exciting for little ones. You can also involve kids in decorating by letting them add candies or chocolate eggs. This turns cake making into a fun family activity that creates lasting memories. How can I make a simple Easter cake look elegant? Minimal designs can look incredibly elegant when done right. A smooth white or pastel frosting base with subtle floral decorations creates a classy appearance. Adding gold accents or light textures can elevate a simple cake beautifully. Fresh flowers, piped borders, or gentle colour gradients keep the cake sophisticated. Elegance comes from balance, not over-decoration. For more cake decorating inspiration and seasonal dessert ideas, check out the full playlist linked in the description. What are some budget-friendly Easter cake ideas? Budget-friendly Easter cakes focus on simple ingredients and smart decoration. A basic vanilla or chocolate sponge can be transformed with pastel frosting and affordable toppings. Homemade decorations like buttercream carrots or piped flowers save money. Using pantry staples creatively helps you stay within budget without compromising beauty. Easter cakes don't need to be expensive to look stunning. Can Easter cakes be made ahead of time? Yes, Easter cakes can be prepared in advance to reduce stress on the celebration day. You can bake the cake layers a day or two earlier and store them properly. Frosting and final decorations can be done closer to the event. This approach allows better planning and ensures a fresh, beautifully finished cake. Advanced preparation makes Easter hosting smoother and more enjoyable. If you love festive baking ideas like these, make sure to subscribe for more creative dessert. How do I choose the right cake size for Easter gatherings? The cake size depends on the number of guests and the occasion. Small gatherings work well with single-layer or mini cakes, while larger family events may need multi-layer cakes. Planning portions helps avoid waste and stress. You can also opt for cupcakes alongside a main cake for flexibility. This ensures everyone gets a sweet treat without over-complicating things. What frosting works best for Easter cakes? Buttercream frosting is the most popular choice for Easter cakes because it's versatile and easy to colour. Cream cheese frosting pairs beautifully with carrot and red velvet cakes. Whipped cream frosting works well for lighter, fruit-based cakes. Choosing the right frosting enhances both flavour and design. Soft textures and pastel tones are ideal for Easter aesthetics. Looking for more seasonal baking and celebration ideas? You'll find plenty of similar videos linked in the description below. How can I add Easter symbolism to my cake design? Easter symbolism can be added through decorations like eggs, nests, flowers, and crosses. These elements represent renewal, joy, and togetherness. Edible toppers and themed piping designs work beautifully. Symbolic details make the cake more meaningful while still being visually appealing. It adds emotional value to your Easter celebration. Are themed cake toppers a good idea for Easter cakes? Themed cake toppers are a great way to enhance Easter cakes quickly. Bunny figurines, egg toppers, or festive messages instantly elevate the design. They save time while adding charm. Reusable toppers can also be stored for future celebrations. They are practical, fun, and visually impactful. All the cake tools and decorations shown in this video are linked in the description for easy access. What colour combinations work best for Easter cakes? Pastel colour combinations like pink and white, lavender and yellow, or mint and cream are perfect for Easter. These shades reflect springtime and freshness. Soft gradients look especially elegant on layered cakes. Avoid overly dark colours to keep the design light and cheerful. Balanced tones enhance the festive vibe beautifully. Can Easter cakes be customised for special dietary needs? Easter cakes can easily be customized for dietary preferences, such as eggless, gluten-free, or vegan. Many alternative ingredients work just as well for flavor and texture. Customization ensures everyone can enjoy the celebration. Thoughtful planning makes your Easter gathering inclusive and welcoming. A customized cake shows care and consideration for guests. Why are Easter cakes an important part of the celebration? Easter cakes bring people together and symbolize joy, renewal, and shared moments. They serve as the highlight of the celebration and create lasting memories. Cutting the cake becomes a moment of connection and happiness. A thoughtfully made Easter cake turns a simple gathering into a meaningful celebration filled with warmth and love. So, if you were wondering how to choose the perfect Easter cake that's creative, delicious, and memorable, the answer lies in thoughtful flavors, playful designs, and a touch of personal creativity. Whether you prefer simple elegance or fun, colorful themes, Easter cakes are your chance to celebrate spring and togetherness in the sweetest way possible. Start small, experiment freely, and let your Easter cake become the heart of your celebration. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone planning their Easter celebration. Comment below and tell us your favorite Easter cake idea. We'd love to hear from you. Check the description to explore our full playlist packed with festive baking and celebration ideas. Subscribe to the channel for more creative, seasonal, and easy-to-follow food inspiration. Find more similar videos linked in the description to keep your celebration ideas flowing. All products and tools featured in this video are conveniently linked in the description below.